you have friends or colleagues in different countries, or if you travel often, it's very convenient to have a dual clock widget. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add such a widget to your lock screen. Watch till the end and I will share a cool tip. So firstly, you're going to press and hold your current lock screen, unlock to add it, and click Customize. Now pick your lock screen, tap on three dots, and if you can see here option for depth effect, then turn that off to be able to clearly see this widgets panel. Now click on the widgets and go a bit lower till you can see clock section. And then I want you to find City Digital. So find that option and choose your dual clock. It could be two of the small options, or maybe small and this big option, or maybe two big options, just as you wish. After you select it, close the widgets. And to choose country, region, city, you're gonna tap on this widget like that and just select anything from the list. For example, I'm gonna choose London. Then I'm gonna tap here and choose Toronto. Great. And now here you can see time for your country, and this is dual clock for different countries. Don't forget to save changes by clicking down button. And this is the result. By the way, a little tip for you guys: on iPhones with always on display support, these widgets continue to appear even when the screen is locked. Handy if you want to display the time without turning the phone fully on. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.